Fergus now makes it even easier to stay on top of your quotes with automated quote reminders. These reminders can be sent via email or SMS to let your customers know when a quote is about to expire, so nothing slips through the cracks. Setting it up is simple and works just like your other reminder settings. Start by heading to Settings, then select the Reminders tab from the menu on the left. Here, you'll find all your reminder options. Scroll down to the Quote Reminders section. Just like with invoice reminders, you can choose to send reminders by email, SMS, or both. If you'd like to send SMS reminders, you'll need to set up SMS first. Next, set the timing for your reminders. For example, you might want to notify customers a few days before the quote expires or on the day it's due, or even both. Whatever works best for your workflow. To customize what the reminder messages say, just click View Template. This will take you straight to the relevant template where you can make any edits. Need help with templates? Check out our help guide. And that's it! With quote reminders enabled, following up on quotes becomes faster, easier, and more consistent, helping you win more work with less effort.